Good day, everyone. Good day. You are highly welcome to this channel again. And today we'll be taking two praise song every day. And today we are going to enter Calypso. We'll just take two. So as you listen and learn, please do also to Riaz. Please Riaz it too, so that you'll be perfect. So the two song is Onye Name Madden with You Are God. These two songs is okay. So let's go. I told you the voice you have to use Ocarina for the vamping. So let's go. Please, if you have not subscribed, like, comment, share, and also subscribe for more videos like this. So let's go. This is our Calypso beat. Your phone, email. Oye, name my email, Eze bubi mela oye neme ma imela oye neme ma imela Imela Eze bubi mela So that is that for that one. The rising and falling is just Onye neme ma ime. This is your fa, which is the number 4. Imela Onye neme ma imela fa do Another thing, if you don't want to go to do, you can substitute to la. If you don't want to go to do, your la, your 1 now. If you don't want to go to 1, you can go to la, which is your 6. So imela this is just your la chord. Imela your saw is your 5. Imela do fa do. So the next one will go. You are God. You are not just big. You are not just man. You are a great God. You are God, oh. You are not just big. You are not just large. You are a great God. So the rising and falling is just you are though. You are not just so. She's your 5. You are not just 4. Which is your 4 far. You are a so though. You are God. You are though. You are not just be. This is your soul. You are not just. This is your far. So you are a great though. So that is that. So thank you. We'll be dealing on the next 2 songs tomorrow. Our next video will be dealing on Stone Cold 2 songs too. Every day we'll be dealing 2 songs first. You perfect your hand before and that thing. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.